Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4250W dual-fuel RV-ready portable open-frame inverter is an impressive blend of power, versatility, and portability. With its dual-fuel capability, this inverter generator can run on either gasoline or propane, offering flexibility for various situations. This feature is particularly beneficial for RV owners and outdoor enthusiasts who may have limited access to fuel sources. One of the standout aspects of this generator is its open frame design, which significantly reduces its weight while maintaining durability. Weighing only about 95 pounds, it is surprisingly lightweight for the amount of power it provides. The compact design makes it easy to transport, whether you're heading out for a camping trip or need backup power at home. Additionally, the built-in handle and foldable legs make it convenient to store when not in use. The generator boasts an impressive 4,250 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, providing enough power to run essential appliances, tools, and even some larger electronics. The inverter technology ensures that the output is clean and stable, making it safe for sensitive devices like laptops and smartphones. Its quiet operation, at around 58 dBA, is another significant advantage, allowing for peaceful outdoor experiences without disturbing the surroundings. User-friendly features like the easy-to-read control panel and the push-button start enhance the overall experience. The generator also includes a low oil shutdown feature, which protects the engine from damage and extends its lifespan. While the 4,250W capacity is impressive, it does require users to be mindful of their power consumption. It's ideal for short trips or as supplemental power during outages, but those needing extensive power for longer durations might want to consider larger models. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 4250W dual-fuel RV-ready portable open-frame inverter is a reliable, efficient, and versatile generator that stands out for its performance, portability, and user-friendly design, making it an excellent investment for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness.